And I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you guys, alright? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your first big trip, these tips are going to be game changers. We're talking about staying healthy while traveling. It's not just about avoiding getting sick, but also about maintaining your energy levels, staying hydrated, and keeping your mind sharp. Because let's face it, nobody wants to get sidelined by a nasty cold or a bad case of food poisoning when they're on an adventure, right? Imagine being stuck in your hotel room while everyone else is out exploring. Not fun at all. We're talking about maximizing every single second of your trip. You want to be out there experiencing new cultures, trying new foods, and making memories that will last a lifetime. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to travel like a pro. Alright, let's dive into these 10 tips. Tip number 1, pack smart. Make sure you have all your essentials like medications, vitamins, and a first aid kit. You never know when you might need them. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, especially if you're flying. Airplane cabins can be really dehydrating. Tip number 3, eat well. Try to balance your meals with fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. It's easy to indulge while traveling, but your body will thank you for making healthier choices. Tip number 4, keep your hands clean. Use hand sanitizer and wash your hands regularly to avoid picking up germs. Tip number 5, stay active. Even if you can't hit the gym, try to get some exercise in. Stretch, do some yoga, or take a walk to keep your body moving. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Traveling can mess with your sleep schedule, so try to get as much rest as you can. Use a sleep mask and earplugs if you need to. Tip number 7, manage stress. Traveling can be stressful, so take some time to relax and unwind. Meditate, take deep breaths, or listen to some calming music. Tip number 8, protect your skin. Use sunscreen, wear a hat, and put on sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Tip number 9, plan ahead. Know your itinerary, have a backup plan, and make sure you have all your travel documents in order. Tip number 10, enjoy the journey. Remember to have fun and make the most of your trip. After all, traveling is about creating unforgettable experiences. So there you have it, folks. 10 tips to help you stay healthy on the road. Follow these, and you'll be well on your way to having an amazing, stress-free adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone. First things first, water. It's the most essential element for our survival, and yet, it's often the most overlooked, especially when we're traveling. I cannot stress this enough. Staying hydrated is crucial, not just for your health, but for your overall travel experience. When you're on the move, your body loses water faster than you might think. You gotta stay hydrated, especially when you're on the move. Whether you're walking through a bustling city, hiking up a mountain, or simply waiting for your next mode of transportation, water is your best companion. Airplanes, trains, those long bus rides, they all dehydrate you like crazy. The air in these environments is often dry, and you might not even realize how much water you're losing. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even more serious health issues. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and refill it whenever you get the chance. Many airports, train stations, and public places now have water refill stations, making it easier than ever to stay hydrated. Trust me, your body will thank you. You'll feel more energized, more alert, and ready to take on whatever adventures come your way. Plus, using a reusable bottle is a great way to reduce plastic waste and be more environmentally friendly. And don't even think about chugging down sugary sodas or juices. These drinks might seem refreshing, but they can actually dehydrate you further. Stick to good old H2O. Stick to good old H2O. It's the best thing for you. Water helps regulate your body temperature, keeps your joints lubricated, and aids in digestion. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain your health while traveling. It's the best thing for you. So next time you pack your bags, make sure a reusable water bottle is at the top of your list. Your body, your mind, and the planet will all be better for it. Happy travels and stay hydrated. Alright, next up, snacks. Airports and train stations are full of tempting junk food, but resist the urge, my friend. Pack your own healthy snacks to keep you going throughout the day. Think about nuts, seeds, fruit, stuff like that. I always make sure to pack a bunch of these little snack packs before I head out on any trip. That way, I'm not tempted to grab a greasy burger when my stomach starts growling. Now let's talk about sleep. It's often overlooked, especially when you're on the go, exploring new places and soaking in new experiences. But sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. I know, when you're in a new and exciting place, the last thing you want to do is sleep. The thrill of adventure, the allure of new sights, sounds, and tastes can make sleep seem like a waste of precious time. But trust me on this one. Skimping on sleep can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. Lack of rest can lead to fatigue, irritability, and even illness, which can ruin your travel plans. Getting enough rest is crucial for your immune system. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, healing itself and building up defenses against potential infections. This is especially important when you're exposed to new environments and different germs. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. It might seem like a lot, but it's the optimal amount for most adults to function at their best. Set an alarm if you need to, and make sure your sleeping environment is comfortable and conducive to rest. It'll help you fight off any bugs that might be lurking around and keep your energy levels up for all the adventures you have planned. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to take on the day, with a clear mind and a body that's ready for anything. A good night's sleep can also improve your mood and cognitive function. You'll be more alert, make better decisions, and enjoy your experiences more fully. Plus, you'll have the stamina to keep up with all the activities on your itinerary. So don't think of sleep as time wasted. Think of it as an investment in your health and happiness. By prioritizing rest, you're ensuring that you can make the most of your travels and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, sleep is not for the weak, it's for the wise. It's for those who understand that to truly enjoy the wonders of the world, you need to be at your best. So, tuck yourself in, close your eyes, and let your body recharge. Your adventures will be all the better for it. Chapter 4. Move your body. Alright, time to get physical. I'm not saying you need to hit the gym every day while you're traveling, but you gotta keep moving. Even if it's just a brisk walk around the city or a quick jog in the park, every little bit helps. Exercise boosts your circulation, strengthens your immune system, and just makes you feel good overall. Plus, it's a great way to explore your surroundings and discover hidden gems. Chapter 5. Wash your hands, seriously. This one should go without saying, but you'd be surprised how many people neglect this simple hygiene practice. Wash your hands, frequently, especially before you eat and after using the bathroom. You're touching all sorts of surfaces when you're traveling, from airplane seats to handrails to menus. So, do yourself a favor and keep those hands clean. Carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer with you too, just in case. Chapter 6. Street food rules. Okay, street food. I get it, it's delicious, it's cheap, and it's part of the whole travel experience. But be careful, my friend. If you're not sure about the cleanliness of a particular vendor, it's best to steer clear. Look for places that are busy with locals. That's usually a good sign. And when in doubt, stick to cooked foods rather than raw ones. Chapter 7. One of the best ways to experience a new place is on foot. Ditch the taxis and tour buses and explore the city by walking. You'll be surprised by what you discover when you slow down and take in your surroundings. Plus, all that walking is a great way to stay active and burn off those extra calories from all the delicious food you're probably eating. Chapter 8. Pace yourself. Listen, I enjoy a good drink as much as the next person, but when you're traveling, it's important to pace yourself. Alcohol can dehydrate you and weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to getting sick. So, enjoy a drink or two, but don't overdo it. Stay hydrated with plenty of water and you'll be good to go. Chapter 9. Vitamins are your friend. Give your immune system an extra boost by taking some vitamins or supplements. I always travel with a supply of vitamin C, zinc, and probiotics. They help keep my energy levels up and my immune system strong. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Chapter 10. Listen to your body. This is probably the most important tip of all. Listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, rest. If you're hungry, eat. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a break. Don't push yourself too hard. Traveling can be exhausting, both physically and mentally, so pay attention to what your body is telling you and give it the rest and care it needs. Outro, stay healthy, my friends. So there you have it, my friends. 10 tips for staying healthy while traveling. Remember, staying healthy on the road is all about being prepared, making smart choices, and listening to your body. So pack your bags, book that ticket, and go explore the world. Just remember to take care of yourself while you're at it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on adventuring.